Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh, your SST teacher. This is chapter 8, our government. Here are some main points of the lesson are given in your book in summing up. Let us look at the summing up first. The first point is India is a democracy where people elected their own government. Here the word is democracy means the people choose their own government is called democracy. Okay. Next is there are there are three levels of government: central government, state government, and local government. The central government responsible for the whole country of the and the state government the responsible is for the each states of the Indian states, and the local government body govern to the local level like village, cities, and towns. Okay. Next is the parliament is the highest law making body in the country. It consists the president, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. The parliament is highest highest law making body of the country, and it consists the first we look at the parliament. Okay, parliament. Next is president, and next level is Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. Two houses of the parliament is called Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The next point is the president of the head of the country. The prime minister is head of the government. The supreme of the head of country is called president, and the assistant head of the government is called prime minister. The state legislative assembly is the law making body in state level. As you learn about the state government is responsible for the each state of the India. The state government is responsible for law making in each states of Indian states. The law of the land constitution protected by the court, Supreme Court and the High Court. There are two levels of the courts in India. First is Supreme Court. It is head of the all courts of the India, and it has many different high courts. It is lies in the each states of the different states of the country. And exploring new words, democracy. What do you mean democracy? A system is government in which people choose their rulers voting from them. It means that the people of the country choose their representatives by voting, and these representatives goes to the parliament and they make the laws for the people of the country. This system is called democracy. Nominated means appointed. They are not elected, they are appointed, chosen by the head of the country. And now next is government. What is government? The elected body which govern to rule the states or country. As you know that the representative who elected by the people of the country and they govern to the people of country is called government. They make the governed body to people of the India. Election, a process by which a group of people choose person of particular position. If the people of India choose their representatives and send them a particular position, it is called election. The parliament making law body of a country. It is usually consisted elected by representatives of the people. The people of India choose their representatives and they send them to the position in Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. As you know that there are two houses of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in the parliament, and the people of India choose their leaders in both of the representatives and ministers. What is minister? Members of government who charge particular department has important position like defense minister, home minister, petroleum ministers, and human resources minister, etc. There are many types of fire department of the ministries, and these are called cabinet minister, and other are the Rajya Mantri. Okay. Constitution, a set of rules on the basis of which country is governed. Fundamental rights. What is fundamental right? Certain basic human freedom that every Indian citizen had right. Yani some rights are given to the constitution is called the fundamental right. They ensure life, peace, dignity, and apply all citizens irrespective of the race, place, birth, religion, caste, and gender. These rights are not demolished by the courts or the people or the public. The rights are given to the Constitution of India. Workout, define the following. What is an election? Election is the process to choose their leader, to send them a particular position is called election. Parliament, the law making body of the country is called parliament. Democracy, a system the people of the country choose their leaders is called democracy. And constitution, a set of rules to choose a rule of the government, that is called constitution. Okay, now next is mark the following sentences.